How do you like that toy game?
Alright. Oh yeah, no, not as much. Oh, yeah. Alright. Yes! Woo!
What about this idea? You sit right here. Is that high enough? Does that work?
Well, we might as well keep it separate. Alright, I think, yeah, we might as well. What's that? Green? Wait a minute. What's the yellow up there? Yeah. Yellow up there.
Perfect. That was a good one.
It looks gorgeous.
Oh, the gear's still intact.
Did I hit it?
Think
I
so?
can't tell if I hit it or not.
I did. He said, come on over now. He's going to be bringing Simmy. He'd love to see it for a few minutes. You got paint going to be dry? Why would it spin back in the truck and dry? Yeah, fitting in there. Yeah.
You're in there.
That's it. All right.
Pretty good.
Ta-da.